Malat, may I
Yes.
mention one to unlisted bail, pre-arrest bail.
Before one.
Malat, already filed.
May I, Lordship, I may be allowed to file one criminal petition for quashing.
Today,
Yes, Lordship. I had filed it yesterday, but because of some technical ground that has been
before
rejected.
one.
Yes, Lordship.
May I, Your Honor? Your Honor, I have filed one writ petition, Your Honor. Yesterday, same matter like my brother mentioned. It may be listed today also.
Before one, before,
Yes.
if it's after one, no.
It's already filed. Obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention bail.
Unlisted.
Filing. Yes, Your Lordship. Already filed.
I cannot afford to.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1.
One.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll be allowed to withdraw this.
Why?
Is
What
that-
happened?
No, Your Lordship. Pardon, Your Lordship.
Please enlighten us if you have gone through the provision. Anyway, MS
Yaram.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Sunil, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that she may be allowed to withdraw this contempt petition. Mr. Prayer is allowed. Contempt petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Your Lordship? I beg to mention one unlisted bail matter today. Deeply obliged.
Malat, similar prayer, Malat. The unlisted 2 writ petitions and 2 IA, Malat.
Lordship, may I beg to mention item as an unlisted matter, one writ petition, land matter.
If there is no urgency, we'll impose a cost.
My Lordship.
Wherever I find that there is no urgency, I'll impose a cost.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted item. Plus.
My lord, this FIR, my lord, basically it's a counter FIR lodged against me because I lodged a FIR against my own husband. My lord, yesterday passed the order granting bail to the husband. The order.
So what to do?
We have received the CD as per the direction.
What is there? What is there anything?
Nothing as such except for the fact that she's still undergoing treatment.
Where
and-
got injury?
Yes, grievous injury. The MLC is also not forwarded, Your Lordship. She's still in the hospital taking treatment. There was
The
MLC
victim.
of the victim, yeah.
Victim is still in the hospital.
Still undergoing medical treatment, Your Lordship.
That's all.
That's all.
Admitted
And
in the hospital or what?
nothing as such, Your Lordship.
What to do?
Lordship, otherwise I don't have any objection because the investigation is in process and there is another FIR filed by the co-accused, Your Lordship. So they are counter FIRs.
It's been 5 bullets. My car, yeah, yesterday my lord granted bail. My husband was arrested pursuant to my FIR. Hereafter only, my lord, this FIR was filed by now my husband is saying there is a third wife. She was completely kept secret. And because of that only dispute there was.
You are working as?
My lord, I'm a data entry operator in this transport department. I'm a highly qualified lady, otherwise, my lord.
Data operator.
Entry operator.
What is your qualification?
Master in the MASCOM, MA in MASCOM.
Okay, heard Mr. Let's see anything else. No MLC report.
No MLC report, Your Lordship. Only in the CD there is a reflection of the statement of the IO. And the other ground is that the snatched amount of 14,000 has not been recovered.
There's no statement. No statement record.
On the statement copy has not been given, Your Lordship. However, in the status report, there is a
I heard Mr. Arson, learned counsel for the applicant. And also heard Ms. Tijin, learned additional PP. For responding. For a state. Next paragraph. This is an application under section 483 of BNSS 2022. Praying for grant of Srimati. Grant of bill to Srimati Charu Nargis within bracket keeper in connection with Papu Hill Police Station. PS case number 99 of 2024 under section 126 phase 2, so and so, who has been arrested on 04/12/2024. What is the FIR?
FIR.
that page number 18.
18, my lord.
The case set up by the prosecution is that on Zero 03/12/2024. An FIR was before the police station, before the officer in charge, Papu Hill Police Station, by once Srimati Taryake Charu. To the effect that on 29/11/2024, at around 20:30 p.m. One Srimati Kipa Nargis, accused hearing, with two ladies and one man attempted to block the vehicle of the informant, complainant at NH 415, 6 kilometers from Naharlagun to Itana district. Again, they have attempted twice at 2 kilometers, but somehow the informant escaped from their classes. Finally, the vehicle of the complainant was seized nearby at Wednesday weekly market, Papunala, and blocked her vehicle, thereby snatched money purse which contained cash amount of rupees 14,000. And thereby thereby assaulted physically to her along with her 1 month baby in front of public on the road. On the assault, the complainant became unconscious due to injury sustained on account of the assault. And she was admitted. She found herself admitted at Orman Hospital. Listen. On receipt of the FIR. The police has registered a case being popular police case number so and so 99 under section so and so. Mr. Arsona, learned counsel for the applicant submits that the accused is the wife of one Charu Ake and is serving as data entry operator in the district transport offices Palin, in the district of Taradari, Arunachal Pradesh. So, he submits that. What was that FIR?
My lord will find page number 24, my lord.
There was an FIR. The
Type copy is 24.
24
My lord.
filed by you,
Yes, my lord.
filed by the accused. He submits that the accused the accused has filed an FIR on 02/12/2024 against her husband, Sri Charu Ake. And the complainant hearing as the complainant was the one who has attacked her with the husband, Mr. Husband Charu Ake. The present FIR has been filed by a control blast to the FIR filed by the accused on one day before on 02/12/2024, which has been registered as Papu Hill PS case number 98 of 2024. He submits that the instant case has arisen out of a family dispute between the alleged accused person and the complainant. Mr. He submits that the present accused is the victim, real victim in the instant case. As the actions had been emanates from series of incidences. Very bad. Her husband had an affair with the complainant. And consequent impregnation of the complainant. Mr. The act of the accused, in fact, in her self-defense, had to assault the complainant as she had attempted to assault the accused by a stick. Mr. The husband, in support of the complainant, had fired the pistol, fired fired a bullet from his pistol, which resulted in the damage to the car of the accused. Mr. Therefore, the incident being purely disputes, and the complainant and her husband has further asserted it. And she was arrested on 04/12/2024. And the investigation has been completed. Come on. The accused Srimati Swansha Kipanagish may be released on bail. List of MS TG learned addition PP. By placing the case diary, scan copy of the placing the case diary. This is the original.
Yes,
It's
Your
not
Lordship.
original,
This-
original.
This is stamped.
Along with the status of the investigation. Submits that the case is pending for MLC report and prosecution, as well as for recovery of amount of rupees 14,000, which alleged to have been robbed from the complainant. Mr. He also submits that as per the report, the investigation is in its early stage, and the complainant is still undergoing medical treatment and is in deep trauma due to the incident. Therefore, granting bail at this stage would hamper the investigation. As such, the accused is not entitled to be released on bail. Where is the case there and the status report? No doubt, they appears that the investigation is in the early stage. And the victim is said to be still under medical treatment. Mr. Howard. On submissions of the learned counsel for the applicant as well as the materials placed on record clearly indicates that the incident had arisen, emanates from purely a family dispute, as the complainant is said to be the third wife of one city. Charu Ake. And the Alice accused is the first wife of Alice accused is the third wife, and the Alice accused is the second wife of Charu Ake. Having considered that the Alice accused, the accused person was arrested on 04/1/2024. The assault and the claims and counter claims, allegations and counter allegations reflects that both the complainant and the accused had assaulted each other, wherein the husband, the Charu Ake, also intervened. Come on, I am of the view that the Alice accused Srimati. What's the full name? Charu
Nargis Kipa, man.
Charu Nargis Kipa is entitled to be admitted to bail accordingly. The accused Srimati Charu Nargis Kipa be released on bail. On punishing a bail bond of 15,000. 15,000. With surety of one surety of like to the satisfaction of Judicial Magistrate First Class, well, UPI, on the following conditions. The accused shall not meet the complainant in any manner, and shall not meet the complainant and pressurize her in any manner. Mr. The accused shall cooperate with the investigation and she shall appear before the investigating officer as and when called for. You are working here or there?
My lord, Pali.
Pali. Informant, complainant is here.
Complainant, my lord, she is here. She says here.
You take permission and go. The accused. Anyway, leave it. You want to sit it back?
Your Lordship,
It's original.
it's not original, stamped and given, Your Lordship.
So we'll keep it there.
Yes.
Well,
Much obliged.
application is allowed in school.
Mayor, please, my lord.
Yes. We'll call for the city.
Yes.
The
Heard, Mr.
Lord Court record, Your Lordship, charge sheet has already been filed.
Okay. Heard, Mr. Yes, sir. Learn counsel for the applicants. This is an application under section 483 BNS. Praying for enlargement of the accused, namely Sri Samsul Ali, on bail in connection with eternal WPS case number 29 of 2021, section 452 IPC, reduce section 6 of POCSO Act. Their case number, where it is, charge sheet has been filed.
Yes.
This is their case number. Where is that? Where do you get that number? Their case number
It's a POCSO case number at page number 104, Your Lordship.
104. POCSO case number, huh?
Yes.
In connection, POCSO case number 12 of 2024. Corresponding to eternal WPS case number, huh? So and so, under section so and so. Call for the scan copy of the trial court record. MS3 in it. No, before the MS3 in it. Before that, huh? Learned additional PP and appearance, entered appears for. State. Respond number 1. Call for the case, trial court record. Scan copy of the trial court record. Huh? Petition to take steps for service of notice upon respond number 2. To public,
Through
Office of the-
Office,
office of the public, office of the public. List up for 3 weeks.
the
Vice. Your lordship, may I?
483, same, huh? Praying for grant of bail to the accused. What is Siri?
No, Krishna.
Krishna Boro, alias Krishna Munna Boro, alias Munna Assam, alias Lambu, in connection with Sessions case number 54 2014, corresponding to Narlagan PS case number 163 of 2014, and section page 1, so and so. Call for the scanned copy of the trial court records.
Your lordship, one
MSP
prayer.
in the same, so and so, so and so.
One prayer. When by the order 13/11/2024, the
What's that?
the learned session judge, he sent the case to this high court.
saying that to endorse the method, there was some other court.
Huh?
The Halanal session judge, he sent the case record to the High Court
Hmm.
after recusing himself from taking up the matter. As because while he was acting as a capacity of the CGM, he recorded the statement of the accused.
Hmm.
So he sent the case record to this High Court for endorsing it to some other court. So the case record might be still with this Honorable High Court. If it is so, that then
We'll see. Let them see.
that order, the order I have given now,
We'll see.
the paragraph 8 and 9.
MS TG Leonard additional PP appears for district.
Paragraph 8 and 9, Your Lordship.
Any other response? No.
No.
Okay. List the matter on.
You know, my prayer that the direction will be given to the registry of this court to retain a copy of the TCR, the record reports. If it is,
We have called for it. We'll then find out. We'll see.
yes. Thank you, Your Lordship.
Okay. Should we fix the date? It's because it's a bail. We
We-
have to fix the date.
After vacation, Your Lordship.
On 9th,
No, after,
Make it 21.
yes, my lord.
replay.
And earlier also 20, something like that. First, second item 3, huh? Make it 20, this will be 21, right? Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, the petitioner is apprehending arrest in connection to SEPA case number, my lord, the annexure,
Item?
item number 5, my lord.
Yes.
Page number, my lord, 13, annexure 2.
What, 5, 6, 7,
My-
9,
5, 6 similar, my lord, 8 and 9 similar, my lord.
Bell,
Yes.
interim bell.
Names are different.
Yesterday we have
Out of
passed
same.
the same. You are not, there's no plea of alibi.
Yes, ma'am.
Alibi is there,
LIV, in other case, LIV is there.
which
And
which
in-
one is not there.
My lord, in the present one also, my lord, we have not taken.
Item
that-
5,
Item 5, my lord, we have not taken that LIV, man.
we just, was not shown, so that you just. Do you have that copy of the order? Yesterday's.
My lord, it is annexed. Annexure, last annexure, my lord. Annexure 3, base 20, man.
So
Out of
depends,
same policy.
only, same,
Yes,
PSK
case.
06.
My lord. Offense are
Same FIR.
Same section, FIR, everything, my
So in
lord.
that case,
Only
page
names are
20, 21, yesterday we passed the same order, huh? It should be, annex there to. In item 5, there is no alibi. You have not taken a plea of alibi.
My lord, in item number, first, item number 5, my lord, we have specifically taken at the relevant point of time, I was playing Ludo game, my lord.
Ludo game.
Yes, my lord.
So
Yes.
that as well as the plea that appeared on the date of occurrence, it was eternal. This should be deleted, huh? Alibi that at the time of, he was not at the
Lordship,
eternal, that should be connected.
I have a notification regarding the arising out of same FIR, Lordship. The same court.
And then yesterday I've already passed.
Oh, then it's okay, then, Lordship.
Interim.
Yes,
Lordship.
they play.
Rest are
Same, my lord.
where? Rest,
My lord, it is also taken as,
the time of mentioned where you were. Where you were.
my lord, for the my lord, we have specifically mentioned. Same, my lord, not, only not involved, my lord.
So there is no plea of
No, not clear.
alibi in all the
Yes, ma'am.
cases. Okay, so do you just delete the line that the at the time of, as well as at the time of so and so, huh? If you find out that the, who has typed that, taken that order yesterday? I think, Leavi or some, they, similar order. Only that line has to be deleted. Similar, same facts, same FIR, same order.
In item 8, my lord, taken 11.
Hmm.
Item 8,
Where you were?
at Itanagar, my lord. Mini
So in that
secretary.
case,
Nah,
then over. 5, 6, 8, 9, same
Madam.
order. Only 8 will be at the time of incident, he was
Yes.
at the tunnel. You are working.
No, my lord. And I was, my lord, in the secretary, mini
Okay.
secretary, my lord, doing some work. my lord.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 9. Yes, next. 7.
Deep-
But this is also,
Very serious.
yes,
We'll call for the case diary, nothing
Lost.
else. All right,
On 7th, your lordship. 7th.
7.
lost.
Okay. Mr. B. Arul, because I've seen that order of the trial court, will your bail was rejected.
Yes, I have
It
annexed.
clearly indicates.
Yes.
Very serious.
I-
Your nephew or
Sister,
sister.
No, I'm the complainant or opponent complainant.
Sir, we're calling for the CD.
I have
We're calling for the CD. We're not granting any interim
okay.
because of seriousness of this.
lost.
Yes. Third, Mr. B. Arul, let me consent for the applicant.
Nay.
And next. This application has been filed by the accused under section 482 of BNSS 2022, praying for grant of privilege of pre-arrest bail to the accused person. Filed by the accused, Sri Contempt. Then praying for under section so and so, praying for grant of praying for a privilege of pre-arrest bail to him. Call for the case diary.
Lordship, it may be on a
Copy of-
8. On 8. it may be.
8.
Yes.
MST in London additional PP. Appears for district. List the matter on 8/01/2025.
Much obliged.
And Mr. The offense is what?
Offense, my lord, in my lord, for intentional insult, my lord. Intentional insult.
This heard Mr. BP, counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under section 528 of BNS 2023. Praying for quashment of the, what is this? GR case number 170, proceedings of case number of the GR case number 171 of 2019. Charge sheet has been filed.
Yes.
Right? On section 353, 504, 506 IPC 1860. Pending before the
Court of, my lord, judicial magistrate. First class, Namsai.
Judicial Magistrate First Class
Namsai.
Namsai.
Yes.
Call for the scan copy of the trial court record. MST is in London additional PP appears for the state.
Now it may be state, my lord.
Pending production of the trial court records, further proceedings of the GR case number so and so and so and so before the landed judicial magistrate first case remain state.
My lord. Much obliged.
Which after 4 weeks.
My lord, this happens due to, my lord, same name, my lord. Because of the same name, my lord.
Same. Washing,
Yes, my lord.
same, under
Yes.
section 577, huh?
Yes, my lord.
Has it has been filed?
Yes, my lord.
Their case number
Your case,
number 56 of 2020 pending before the judicial magistrate under section 20, huh? Under section 419, 171 within bracket F of IPC 1860. Pending before the chief judicial magistrate, allow. Call for the same, huh? Same order. MST, L London additional PP address for the state. Pending production of so and so, huh? The further proceedings of their case number so and so before the chief judicial magistrate. All shall remain state.
my lord. Much obliged.
4 weeks. Yes, sir.
Yes, my paper.
What is this?
This is a tender matter, my lord.
What tender matter?
This is arising out of NIT issued
Yes.
by the executive engineer, engineering wings, Department of Education. My lord, in a Department of Education, it has got its own engineering wings, my lord.
Your technical financial bid has been rejected.
No, yes,
Your financial bid.
yes, both in technical as well as in the financial matter.
You and the finance technical bid of yours and the private respondents.
Private respondent, total 5 farms are participated.
Yes.
And out of 5, there's one, the respondent has been selected. Whereas he has
In a financial bid.
in the financial rate. And
Financial bid, five bidders were there.
yeah, I also qualified for the
Financial
financial
bid.
bid.
So your financial bid has been rejected.
Yes, rejected on the, without any assigning any reason, my lord.
Where it is?
Your Honor,
Where it is?
my lord,
Where is the rejection?
my lord, it is not yet published. It is not been uploaded.
How do you know in that case?
So, my lord, here the case is that, my lord, there's a respondent number, private respondents have been recommended as
Where
a
it
lowest bidder
Where it is?
because this,
Sir, where it is? Where the recommendation?
my lord, it is page number, kindly come to page number 222,
222.
my lord.
Yes.
And 2 to 3 is 2 to 3. This last page.
Yes.
Last paragraph. Therefore, MS NIA Enterprises is recommended for approval at quoted price.
2 to 3.
2 to 3, my lord. Last page.
Therefore, MS NIA Enterprise is recommended for approval at quarter so. Yes. Then
Yes.
what's wrong?
Here, your Honor. Why this?
Well, issuing notice.
They have submitted incomplete documents, my lord. NIA Enterprises has submitted incomplete tender documents, my lord.
What about you?
I have submitted the entire document.
You have not said about yourself. You have only talked about you have narrated about the deficiency of the private respondent.
My lord. So, despite
First,
the,
you have to challenge your rejection. Then we'll go to the private respondent.
so my lord, the next step may be notice may be issued at this stage.
Okay.
my lord. And I have
Mr.
submitted.
N. President, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the recommendation of the respondent number.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent number.
Respondent number 4.
Respondent number 4, namely Messrs. NIA Enterprises.
Yes, ma'am.
Enterprises for approval. For award of contract pursuant to the NIT dated. Where is the NIT?
04/10/2024.
04/10/2024.
Yeah.
Issued by the Executive Engineer, Engineering Wing, Department of Education, Itanagar, for construction of new hostel building, page 27, right? New hostel building in NSCBAB, Government Residential School, Sima, Papupari District, Arunachal Pradesh, under ISSE. Next para. Mr. N. Taze, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that despite serious discrepancies of the tender documents submitted for the submitted in that pursuant to the above tender by the respondent number 4, the tender of the bid of the financial bid of the petitioner, the respondent 4 has been illegally and arbitrarily and illegally recommended by the tender evaluation committee. The financial evaluation committee, is it? Financial bid evaluation committee.
Yes, sir.
Christoph. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Who appears?
I'm appearing on behalf of T. Tagum, standing counsel.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appears and accepts notice on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, learned standing counsel for Education Department. Therefore, the formal issuance of notice is discharged. However, extra copies be furnished to the learned counsel for the respondents. Mr. The learned counsel for the petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4. Barrister post transfers.
4 is already appeared, my lord.
Huh?
4 is already appeared, my lord.
Which 4?
Respondent number 4.
He said he's for Education Department.
Education Department.
Respondent number, private respondent
Private respondent.
is respondent number 4.
No, my lord, no.
Then you said respondent number.
Sorry, my lord. Respondent, I will take this respondent number 4.
Huh? Then appears for standing the Education Department, huh?
Yeah.
For respondent 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then you 4 respondent.
4 I will
Two
take.
steps, yes.
My lord, instead of 4 weeks, it may be 3 weeks, my lord. If it is a tender method, because I have an interim prayer
3
also.
weeks. No issue.
I have an interim prayer here, my lord.
What? What interim prayer?
It's a during pendency, no work should be awarded.
That is your main prayer.
Age on today.
That is your main prayer. So we cannot grant final relief as an interim relief.
My lord, I have.
Your main prayer is not to award the work to any other person, any other.
Yeah, it is in my prayer, my lord.
Yes.
It is in my prayer, in my petition, my lord.
So if I pass that interim order, it amounts to grant of final relief, which is not permissible under the law.
Even a letter of acceptance has not been issued agent today.
The award of the work shall be, needless to observe that award of the work in question shall be outcome, final shall be outcome of this present proceedings.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, this is a tender matter, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Tender matter, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this,
Why so many writ petitions against one tender?
no, Your Lordship.
Same method yesterday's better.
There are different packages, Your Lordship.
You have withdrawn that.
This one, yes, Your Lordship, earlier withdrawn due to some.
Any other
Fact.
pendency?
No,
Any matter is pending related to the same matter?
no, Your Lordship. No.
You have withdrawn that,
Yes, Your Lordship.
huh?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, what happened, Your Lordship? My bid was rejected, Your Lordship. My bid was rejected, Your Lordship, illegally, Your Lordship. Therefore, I filed a representation, Your Lordship.
Yes,
However, the representation was not disposed of as per the SBD, Your Lordship.
yes.
And The respondent authority should have first deal with that representation, Your
So
Lordship.
there has been already,
Your Lordship,
work has been already awarded, completed.
not completed, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship,
You find out there is a judgment. of
there's
the
other ground, Your Lordship, that
Division bench. If the representation has to be as per the terms of the tender or SBD has to be, where is the provision? Where is that provision?
Your Lordship, may I kindly come to page number 54, Your Lordship.
54.
Yes, Your Lordship. Down last sentence, Your Lordship.
Yes,
22.6, Your Lordship.
22.6.
Yes,
The result of evaluation of part 1 bit of which will be made public on e-procurement, following which there will be a period of 5 working days during which any bidder may submit complaint which shall be considered for resolution before opening of part 2 bid. That has not been done.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There is a judgment on this by division bench from in principal seat. Or this,
also come up earlier, they have withdrawn and again they have.
no, it's okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the
What
other,
is your withdrawal? Why you have withdrawn earlier?
Your Lordship, there were some defect, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yes.
Heard
Lordship,
Mr.
Other ground is that, Your
Heard
Lordship,
Mr.
Your Lordship. I have participated in another bid also, Your Lordship,
Hmm,
and with the same set of document, Your Lordship.
that has been
Yes, that has been accepted,
accepted
Your Lordship.
and you have been awarded the award.
Technical person, I have responsive, Your Lordship,
But then what about financial bid?
not declared so far, Your
It is
Lordship.
yet to be
Yes, Your Lordship.
declared.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you have a,
No, Your Lordship. Pardon, Your Lordship.
do you have any, do you think that your financial bid will be true?
I'm not sure, Your Lordship, but Your Lordship, at least, Your Lordship,
What is the rejection? Where is the rejection?
rejection is, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly come to para 9 or page 9, Your Lordship, in my petition, Your Lordship,
No, copy of the rejection.
or copy of the rejection, Your Lordship. Annexure 5, Your Lordship. 125 page number, Your Lordship.
135.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr.
E. Menjo, Your Lordship.
E. Menjo,
Yes.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Where is this? 130 page what?
195 something.
No, 125.
125.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Bid evaluation report, part 1. Yes. Next para. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has. No, forget that. Heard so and so, huh? Challenge in this writ petition is to the bid evaluation report by the committee, whereby the technical bid of the petitioner has been technical bid of the petitioner has been rejected pursuant to the NIT. Huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
NIT, which NIT?
NIT, page number 41, Your Lordship.
41.
Yes, Your Lordship.
NIT dated
3rd July, Your Lordship.
03/07/2024. For construction of roads under Vibrant Village Program 2023-24. Namely, page 125, LO 23-16 kilometer point of Nampe Sario Road to Dawa DAO via Longchu Sulung. Mr. Major, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that. Where is that provision? After the rejection of his technical rejection of the technical bid of the petitioner, a representation was filed. However, same has not been considered before opening of the financial bid. In violation of the, what is that?
22.6, Your Lordship.
Page
54, Your Lordship.
54.
54.
Violation of the clause 22.6 of the instruction is standard instruction to bidders. No, it's standard bidding documents, which provides that evaluation of part 1 of the bid shall be made public on e-procurement system, following which there will be a period of 5 working days, during which any bidder may submit complaint which shall be considered for resolution before opening of part 2 of the bid. Please stop. He further submits that the documents, the same documents which the petitioner has submitted in the present tender have been accepted by the same respondent authority.
Yes.
In another tender, in another similar tender, another package of similar tender. Therefore, he submits that the action of the respondents is arbitrary and illegal. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
Your Lordship. Can-
Mr.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
As Mr. G. Taraklan is standing counsel for the standing and RWD enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. How many respondents?
There are
There is private disposal.
There are
For
total 7,
respondent
Your
number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Comma. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies be served. The petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6 and 7 by respect for so within 2 days.
much obliged.
This after 4 weeks.
Yeah, please, boss.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, aside the legality of NIT dated.
We have filed the writ petition earlier.
Yes, my lord.
It's pending.
It's pending, ma'am.
Hmm.
In that, this petition. Lord, petitioner challenge this NIT, it is at page 26, my lord.
Now you are challenging here what?
Now I'm challenging the subsequent developments, my lord. My lord, letter of intent, my lord, there is board proceeding, that board proceeding is there, the letter of intent was issued by the respondent authority.
You are challenging a letter of
Board proceedings, both proceedings and my lord, this letter of intent issued by the respondent, my lord.
And Mr. H. Lampu, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, by filing this writ petition. By filing this second writ petition in connection with no, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the board proceedings.
Yes, my lord, board proceeding Page
Board proceedings dated 16/10/2024. Whereby the private respondent numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7.
7, no, sir, no.
Where is this?
Only 6, madam. That is typographic mistake.
Private respondent number 6 has been board proceedings 16/11, that is 16/10/2024, whereby the private respondent number 6 has been declared as L1 and recommended for award of the work. Huh?
No, my lord, page 46, my lord. Can
There are total 4 packages.
4 packages, sir, we have.
Hmm.
Page 46, my lord.
46.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my lord. In respect of, my lord, this package for construction of community hall regarding beyond and, my lord, this Langpu, my lord, that has been awarded to private respondent number 4, my lord.
The tender was of, it was a one tender. 4 packages, one tender.
4 packages, 1 tender.
One
And it is
Separate packages, madam.
The separate packages, 4
One tender.
packages in one tender.
Yes,
Yes, madam.
One tender.
One NIT, madam.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
So can single petition would be maintainable amount for different packages, madam.
Why are making him a wise? Keep it yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then recommended. No. First one is what?
First one is construction of multi-purpose community hall at Beyond, my lord.
Beong.
Yes, ma'am, Beyond.
Then second one is
Second one is, my lord, same, my lord, for Walong. Third one is Sariat Akang.
it's the same date.
Yes, my lord.
Same day.
Same date, my lord.
Okay. 16/10/20, whereby the board has declared the respondent number 4
4 years.
is L1
In respect of,
but in respect of the construction of multi-purpose community hall within bracket Pakka bracket clause at Beong
and Langchu, my lord.
and
This-
Nangchum,
Yes, ma'am.
where it is.
My lord, page 49.
Page 49. Langsu
Yes, ma'am, Langchu.
at Langchu. Then respondent number
5,
5 is
for Walong, madam.
is 5 for construction of multi-purpose community hall, same Pakka at Walang
Yes.
and
6, madam, page 48, but Sariat Takang.
6 at same at
Sariat Takang.
Saria Takang. Then
Over.
Yes, madam.
7, what about 7?
My lord, that
There's no 7.
no, sir. 2
Then-
packages are given to my lord.
Pursuant to the NIT,
Page 26, man.
page 22. NIT 22.
Page 26, my lord. First NIT is at page 26, my lord.
What is the second NIT? Then
Second, my lord, this code is by way of code is in the middle of the, it's page 29.
pursuant to NIT dated 10/10/2024. It's okay. 27 is what?
27 is, my lord,
Type copy.
that copy of this, my lord.
Then
26, my lord.
what corrigendum is there?
What is in the, initially, my lord, they have, my lord, invited tender in just, my lord, single, my lord, package, my lord. For all
And
these,
Corrigendum, let's say 2020, and then 2024. The petitioner has challenged the legality of the above tender in WPC
488.
number 488 of 2024, which is still pending. Please look. By the present writ petition, it is submitted, it is contended that in view of the subsequent developments of both proceedings, okay, the evaluation of the tender, financial bid, and issuance of LOI subsequent to the filing of the above writ petition, being WPC 488 of 2024. The present petition has been filed challenging the board proceedings and the LOI issued to the respondent number 4, 5, and 6 is noted here in them. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. B. Pitcher, Learned Standing Council, are the enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of number 1, 2, and 3.
3, my lord, they have made as a private respondent. In person, they have made.
Okay, 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Therefore, issuance of permanent notice is discharged. However, extra copies be furnished to the Learned Council for the petition. Learned Council for the respondents number 1 and 2. Next para. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice 3, 4, 5, and 6 by registered post within 2 days.
my lord, I have an interim period. My lord, since, my lord, I am,
When is the October, November, December?
my lord,
What happened?
This is started, my lord. Work has started.
no, my lord.
My lord, fact of the case, my lord.
The
NIT,
My lord, kindly may I take your lawsuit to pay for, my lord. My lord, in writ petition 488, my lord, there was a stay order. But unfortunately, subsequently, my lord, that writ petition was dismissed for non-prosecution, my lord. Thereafter, it has been restored, my lord.
Yes.
But, my lord, on the submission of my learned friend, my lord, that interim order has been vacated, my lord. Kindly come to phase 40, my lord. Phase 40, my lord, there they have, my lord, in writ petition, my lord, 488, my lord. The prime contention is that, my lord, as per CPW manual, my lord, if the value of the work is 5 crore, my lord, 7 days time has to be given for, my lord, issuance of tender paper as well as submission of, my lord, tender paper. In this case, my lord, what happened, my lord, they have given just 5 days, my lord. And out of that 5 days, my lord, 3 days are holidays, my lord. By way of, my lord, affidavit, they have submitted that on the holiday also, they have, my lord, the tender paper, and they have annexed the sale register, my lord. On the basis of that, my lord, my interim, though, my lord, writ petition was restored, but my interim was not extended, my lord.
So
Because of that, my lord, so, my lord, kindly, my lord, I will apprise your lord.
what sort of interim? What has been awarded?
No,
Yes,
my
my
lord. Letter of intent is also only, my lord, letter of
He
intent
said
was
work has
issued
already been awarded.
started. It has
Started.
started. Yes, ma'am.
without, my lord, the
There is no interim,
understanding, my lord.
When it is that? When is that? When is the LOA was issued?
It was issued way back, my lord, in on
24, my lord.
24
October, yes.
But, my lord, interim order was there, my lord, till, my lord, 13th of
Not
December.
finalized. It has already been finalized.
Finally, we'll see.
My lord, kindly, my lord, I have, my lord, alleging malafide in this with this, my lord.
We'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord, the late,
Right.
then, my lord, the record may be called for. Since, my lord, there is patent, my lord,
The Learned Council for the petitioners to file affidavit
Right.
and
There-
place the records on the
Right.
next date.
Here I have a problem, my lord. They have
Right.
not made the video as a party, my lord. No, officially video is not a party. How will I call the record from video, my lord? They have not made video as a party, my lord. Video is a necessary party here, my lord.
Videos,
The secretary director, how will they know? The ground reality, my lord, secretary director does not have any role. my
You
lord.
are not ready to file
No,
the
no.
counter affidavit.
We will file, but my lord, the authority, my lord, who is
It's okay. Wherever you get it, Asman se lao, Jamin se lao, bring the record.
my lord.
That's all.
and my
Learned
lord,
Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel, Mr. B. Picha is directed to file the affidavit on behalf of the state respondents on or before the next date of listing
Well.
and place the records, place the records.
My lord.
That's all.
15th
All right,
January.
it's after 4 weeks.
On 15th January.
4 weeks.
No fixed date.
Let it be on 15th January.
15. Next.
Obliged.
Yes.
My lord, this is a transfer matter, my lord. And basically, my lord, I
Why
even.
they take instruction?
Yes, I'll
We'll
take-
taking up on the third.
Right, my lord.
Third, Mr. Arsenal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the transfer or the dated which were
24/7/2024.
24
24/7/2024.
2024. Whereby the petitioner has been transferred from Tawang to Longding
Long-
as
My lord,
as
in the-
treasury officer.
in the order, it is written treasury officer.
Treasury officer.
But there is no post of treasury.
Treasury officer on the ground that after joining at Longding, there is no post of treasury officer,
Yes,
but a post of
sub-treasury.
sub-treasury officer,
Yes.
which is
Subordinate.
which is below the post of the petitioner, the below the post held by the petitioner. List of issue notice returnable by 3rd of January 2025.
On 6th, Lord.
6th, then
Six is
6,
holiday.
7. No private respondents.
Private-
Issue
no,
notice-
no, no
issue
private.
notice.
No private. All are.
Will not issue notice. You obtain
On instruction, this can be disposed.
Mr. Estafy, considering next para, having considered the nature of the grievance raised in this writ petition, Mr. Estafy, London senior government advocate, is to obtain instruction on by next day.
Much-
This is the matter on 6th, 7th,
7th.
01/2022.
Also, this is
Matter regarding
Termination.
termination from
Issue
ground.
notice.
issue note.
Not Mr. T. Tapak, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Next para. This petition has been filed assailing the termination order dated 26/8/2024 issued by the Deputy Commissioner, Boleng. District, this Deputy Commissioner, Siang District, Boleng. Issue notice returnable by 5 weeks. MSG as MSG at the London Students, interest appearance and accept notice. Any private respondent? No. No formal notice need be served. How we accept copy, sir. List after 5 weeks.
My pleasure.
Yes.
Here also, my lord, notice may be issued, my lord. Here I am only agree by the, my lord, impugn order, my lord. Wherein, my lord, the recommendation has been made in favor of, my lord, against me, my lord, for termination, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, in, the
Which is
other,
why, on the basis of the report,
My lord.
report of the SIC,
SIC, my lord.
it's up to,
Now, department is initiating, my lord, the process for the, my lord.
you have you been terminated?
No, not yet, madam.
Recommended.
Recommended,
We
madam.
cannot restate the process.
May not give any effect, my lord, till such time. My lord, the other is, my lord, our, my lord, basically, my lord, The SIC cannot make such recommendation. It is the department who has not initiated any proceedings against me.
You are working as?
Petitioner 15 in numbers were appointed as MTS, lowest grade, MTS, peon, and one UDC.
Then
Then, we were,
what is the allegation?
allegation is,
Illegal appointment.
yes,
If you state this, it will open the Pandora's box.
exactly,
So at this stage, they will issue notice, nothing. All right.
Notice we
We'll consider on next.
Yes, ma'am.
Your interim prayer.
Yes.
And Mr. M. Kato, learned counsel for the petitioners. Challenge made in this petition is to the recommendation letter number SIC oblique BIG oblique PS case number 2023 oblique 1510-15 dated 26/8/2024. Where it is?
Type copy is page number 62,
62.
Page number 62.
Furnishing of documents and observation memo.
Page number
Yes,
63, issued by the office.
it's long time back. August. No, we'll say, challenge, what I said? Challenge made in this. No, challenge made in this petition is the communication and communication of the recommendation. By the Deputy SP cum officer in charge, Special Investigation Cell within bracket Vigilance dated 26/08/2024, whereby
Page 63, last portion. It is evident,
whereby documents furnished, whereby documents have been furnished along with the observation that the petitioners, that the 15 appointees, petitioners hearing,
Yes,
petitioners hearing were issued, were issued make an illegal appointment letter by the then Director of Elementary Education without following any due official procedure. And accordingly requested that the above 15 illegal appointees be terminated in line with the already terminated 102 illegal appointments. Have you not been terminated?
So,
Though this technically he cannot, as a deputy SP cannot recommend, make his observation. What is his findings on after inquiry?
So, therefore,
It's just a technicality. Otherwise, 102 have terminated. No, it's your turn. Wait for your
we are
turn.
under process for termination. So,
Hopefully, you will get a good news in the bad news in the next year.
till such time, may not be given effect,
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Mr.
Tabang.
Oh,
Appearing on behalf of Titagum. Education.
Mr. L.
Tabang.
A. Tamang.
Tabang.
Learned Counsel appearing for respond number, appear for Mr. T. Tagum, Learned Standing Counsel for Education Department, appears and enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of respondent number 124.
125. 22.
Then you first, MST Wangmo, Learned Standing Counsel for respondent number 1.
2,
Then
3,
L. Tabang,
4,
1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 5.
2, 3, 4.
Who else? 6 and 7.
6 and 7, my lord.
6 and 7.
Yes.
4.
Oh, I think, my lord.
Why this? Why you have not been appointed as a standing counsel? Why you should? You can make a mention. We'll take the responsibility. If something happen tomorrow, tell your seniors, don't do that. You cannot appear. It is by name.
Yes.
If mentioning and all, it's okay. But accepting notice is not. For today, we'll consider, I mean, we're accepting it, but next time, no.
He personally requested me over telephone, my lord. He is having some personal difficulty. Responded
You
for
write
6 and 7.
For 6 and 7, on behalf of so and so. Therefore, no formal notice, the notice need be served, extra copy, however, extra copies be furnished to the responsible for the response. List the matter after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Diploma.
You are still working.
Yes, my lord.
I think ultimately you have to refund.
My lord, there are altogether 3 petitioners, my lord. They were elected as GPM GPC from 11 Dapurizio Jilla Parishad constituency, my lord, in the year 2020, my lord. While they were functioning as the elected member, my lord, suddenly a so-called notice was received, which was in fact issued by unauthorized person, my lord.
Who is the authorized?
The authorized person is the state president, my lord, who can issue the so-called notice, my lord. That too after constitution of the committee, my lord. That, yes, my lord.
Come to the point.
Yes, my lord. That, my lord, I will skip, my lord. All these are internal matter, my lord.
You have been, your disqualification proceeding has been initiated.
Initiated and it has culminated into
expelled from the party.
Yes, my lord.
What is the law?
Law is that, my lord, the deputy commissioner, my lord, he is the competent person to take up this issue, my lord, for this qualification, my lord. But he has to hear the party, my lord, who is.
You have not been heard.
Yes, my lord.
No notice was issued.
It was issued, but my lord, as I was, the petitioner was represented by his their counsel, my lord. The counsel was representing the petitioner, my lord, in the deputy commissioner court.
Yes.
His father was ill for last so many months.
Where is
he
this
was
disqualification order?
disqualification order, my lord, will come to
Page 70 or what?
yes, page 70, my lord.
GPC, Yari, Bagbi, Nazi. 3 of 4.
My lord. Yes,
How many?
4, my lord. One, this expelled member, he has not turned up for to challenge this tribunal, my lord. So therefore, we are 3, my lord.
Who else? Who are you?
I am, my lord, Yanyagongo, my lord.
Yanyagongo, GPC.
GPC, my lord.
And Srimati Bagbi Nazi.
Yes, my lord.
Then Srimati Yabam Gomle.
Yes, my lord. No,
Haji is not
no.
there. Okay. Yes. So what is the ground?
My ground is that, my lord, kindly come to page number 61. This is the, my lord, representation, my lord, submitted by the council for the petitioner, my lord, which are submitted before the deputy commissioner, my lord. As my lord, there is 2 representation. One filed by the petitioner and another filed by the council for the petitioner.
Inform that on the day they have to submit their return arguments, and if they fail to appear expected, on claiming the response were again absent without any intimation to the recommended return arguments submitted.
Page number 61, my lord. Here, my lord, the council was representing the petitioner in the court of petition, my lord. He has filed this representation, my lord. As his father was ill, and he is the, in fact, cancer patient. He had to take his father to CMC Belor also, my lord. Owing to that, my lord, as the matter was fixed on 29/11/2024 for hearing in the Court of Deputy Commissioner, as the counsel for the petitioner, he was already there at Guwahati, my lord. He has written this representation, saying that my lord will not be able to attend on to, this 29, my lord. Now, this is the representation, my lord, submitted by the counsel for the petitioner.
Which day?
This is, my lord, it is submitted on 26, my lord.
26/12.
Yes, 11. 26/11.
Then the matter was fixed on 6/12. 6/12
No.
it was fixed.
Yes, my lord. 20.
Again, you failed to appear. Would
So, on 29, my lord, it was fixed. Thereafter, after receipt of this representation, my lord, subsequently, the matter was fixed on 6th December, my lord.
Yes.
On 6th December, my lord, again, my lord, as the counsel could not turn up, my lord, there was a representation from the petitioner, my lord. My lord may come to,
Without intimation.
my lord may come to page number 64, my lord. This is the representation submitted jointly by the petitioner before the Deputy Commissioner, my lord.
Which date?
This is, my lord,
Is no date.
4 July, my lord.
Hmm?
July. Oh, sorry, 4 December. 4 December, my lord.
From where do you get it?
4 December. Okay. Yes, my lord. My lord may come to page number 63, my lord. The receipt, the endorsement, my lord. Date 4 December. 4
Have you filed any written statement? No.
No, my lord. The hearing was going on, my lord. My lord may also see the order, my lord. It is ex parte, my lord. From the impure order itself, my lord.
Obviously, when you despite the repeated summons and notices, you have not appeared and while you have not contested the case to
My
the
lord-
expert only.
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, he was saying,
Not Mr. D. Complan, counsel for the petitioners. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated. Which date?
order 6/12/2024, my lord.
06/12/2024, passed by the Deputy Commissioner, Upper Subansiri District, the Upper Reserve, whereby the petitioners and one Srimati Yapi Haji disqualified. Where is this? The word disqualification has not been used. Huh?
Also, my lord,
Have been
last, page number 80, my lord.
81. Where is 81? Is 80 is the last pair.
Yes, it is the last page. Last,
Where does it say? Okay. Will be the petitioners, including a petitioner and one petitioners and one Srimati Yapi have been disqualified as being the Gram Panchayat chairperson and Gram Panchayat members from Gongo -1, comma, GPC Gongo -1, comma, GPM 11/1/. for Hindu Gongo. 11/2/2 this Lebri within bracket B. Did I say post of Gram Panchayat chairperson and Gram Panchayat? That I have said. Of the Gram Panchayat chairperson and Gram Panchayat members of 11 Bari Rizho Jilla Parishad constituency. List of Mr. D. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the contended that the impugned order has been passed by the Deputy Commissioner expert after proceeding the matter expert despite submission of several application for adjournment of the matters on the ground of what?
On the ground, the father of the person, my lord, you can seek from this case, my lord.
For so many days, 6 months.
Yes, my lord.
On the ground that the counsel representing the petitioners, the father of the learned counsel representing the petitioners were under treatment for cancer outside the state.
Yes, office father.
Mr. Issue is returnable by 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Mr. MS.
Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1, State Election Commission.
MS A. Anju, learned
N.
counsel, N. Anju, learned counsel, appears an accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and
I'm for 2 and 3.
MS T. Wangmo, learned state counsel for
2 and
respondent
3.
2 and 3. How many? How many respondents? 2 and 3.
5.
Therefore, no formal notice need be served. However, extra copies be furnished to the land council. But petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon number
4 and 5.
private respondent.
No, 4 and 5.
Yes, 4 and 5. By registered post so. Next para. Yes, that's all.
Because
What interim prayer?
because my lord, from the you can already see my lord.
Heard on interim prayer. Having considered that the petitioners are the duly elected representative of the people of what is this? Bari Rizho.
Yes, my lord. 11 Bari Rizho Jilla Parishad also.
11 Bari Rizho Jilla Parishad constituency. And that the proceedings of disqualification under the Arunachal Pradesh local authorities within prohibition of depiction act, bracket 2003 have been proceeded ex parte. Till the returnable debt. No, I am of the considered view that the interim order is called for. Mr. Accordingly, till the returnable debt, the impugned order dated 06/12/2024 passed by the Deputy Commissioner, the Upper Subaltern District shall remain suspended.
Your Lordship, in page number 4, State Election Commission represented by Chief Electoral Officer. It should have been Secretary, Your Lordship, instead of Chief Electoral Officer.
Yes, correct it. Correct it by filing an amended course letter.
Okay.
We're just staying because they are elected members. And admittedly, though, they will examine that. They have sought for a time.
From last 6 months, they are in time, man.
Also,
We'll
there's
see.
no provision seeking adjournment on advocates' absence, Your Lordship.
We'll see.
My lord has seen the order, what the deputy commissioner has passed the order while is invoking. It's order line of citizen. Deputy governor.
After.
Yes, next. I want them to file the affidavit. Where's the affidavit? Are you arguing the matter?
No, my lord.
Huh?
My parent will be upset.
Hmm?
Your Lordship, here I have a prayer, Your Lordship. Our name may be struck off from the respondent because
Huh?
my name may be struck off from the respondent.
Why?
Because respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
What is the issue?
Issue is that my lord, the petitioner, my lord, there are this registered sports person. Here is a department from the Department of Education.
What affidavit says? What is the affidavit?
Affidavit, my lord, it is there, my lord. They
The
have-
affidavit was not yet filed on behalf of Education Department. 23rd, yesterday's noting.
My lord, I have been served with the affidavit, my lord.
Where it is? Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, my lord. Yesterday.
Where is Mr. Tagum? What disposing of the matter? He has to be there. Are you arguing the matter?
No, my lord.
Hmm?
No, my lord.
Heard Mr. D. come London Council for the petitioners.
My lord,
And also heard Mr. London Council, so London Council appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, London Standing Council for Education Department. For respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Office note dated 23/12/2024 reflects that no affidavit of opposition has been filed. By the, on behalf of the Education Department. However, Mr. D. London Council, but the petitioner has submitted that he has been served with, furnished with the copy of the additional affidavit in opposition filed by the copy of the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the Education Department. Mr. Raised it to verify, list the matter on 3rd.
My lord, my lord,
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 5. Though I'm not
Hmm.
a necessary party in this case, but I have been implicated as a respondent. So therefore, I'm
Mr.
representing respondent number 5.
Yes, in London. Special PP.
My lord, special PP SI team.
Special PP SAT. Enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 5.
Sir, request.
Yes, when do we want?
For this matter of 8 matter.
We have fixed so many matters.
Yes, my lord, it will be 9.
9.
10. On the prayer, on as agreed to by London Council for the parties, list this matter on 10th. 01. Yes. Anyway, what is the extent of the Education Department?
They are, my lord, not disputing my. Could have, you can also dispose of the level, but I cannot dispute because of the.
Okay, we'll take it out.
My lord, they have disputed anything, my.
Hmm.
Even my lord does also put this excising matter. He said that we have taken exonerate matter.
Okay. What is this? Hmm.
Block education official, posted background under what circumstances this FIR. This happened something, my lord, that on
Where is the FIR?
Page number 30. FIR has been wrote after 4 months.
Hmm.
Direct discussion.
Hmm.
No,
Is there any interim?
no.
So,
This is the case, what happened before. Something, there was one awareness program in this, conducted by the district student union of Sri. So this is basically awareness about good touch, bad touch. So while giving this awareness, then when anybody was touched badly by anybody, then it's like between see student and say that I was once touched in my private part by the accused person. Then thereafter, without consulting the parents, without anything, then under their influence only, this FIR has been lodged. Well, basically, allegation is only one thing where it is with great respect. I have to honor to you that on 17 September 2024, once the Mamai Gunja is retained teacher, but it's not teacher, my lord. When phone called me through my mobile phone, stated that I should alone come to storage. I suspected on his request, so I took along with me 2 of my sisters. 2 sisters were also present, my lord. Then, my lord, together at that point of time. Accordingly, I along with my sister went with him by his car, but he did not take me here when I placed asked towards the provision of the very supervisory resort. He started telling me unkind words, which were not tolerable. I don't know what unkind words, not reflected here. He just said unkind words. After that, we reached and supervisory resort, gradually he seated beside me and touched my own private part. This is only the allegation. I thought I want to escape from
it's enough, more than enough.
So it's
What is the investigation?
Yes, Your Lordship, as per the investigation, the statement of 183 has also been recorded. The MLC has been retrieved, Your Lordship. FSL of the valve swap has been given, Your Lordship. The investigation is in await of the FLC report as well as only the statement of the accused, Your Lordship. Otherwise, it's in completion, Your Lordship.
I am ready to go. My lord knows, my lord, I have approached my lord. My lord, they kindly consider it, my lord.
Section 8 and 12 of POXO.
My lord, I understand. But my lord, only because POXO is here, my lord, there is not also not the bar, my lord. My lord, they kindly take, my lord. My lord, the maximum punishment prescribed. The offense is, my lord, from 3 to 5. Only, my lord.
Yes.
Under section, my lord has the power, but POXO doesn't bar this honorable exercise. But my lord will see the circumstances whether I am entitled for it. My lord, section 8 at the maximum, my lord, 3 to 5 years only. Now, my lord, when 3 to 5 years come, my lord, then my lord, automatically, my lord, section 35 1 A-B or 35-3 of new B and S, my lord, which is the corresponding provision of 41A of the CRPC, all CRPC, my lord. My lord is fully aware about this Satyendra Kumar Andi judgment, my lord. This is 2022 report again SCC, case 51, Satyendra Kumar Andi. Well, basically, what is saying, because CRP is fully applicable in the POXO, my lord. This is not something, my lord, from POXO, different consideration has to be taken from. Maybe, my lord, so far when offense is very heavy.
This is the age of the victim.
FIR is with the FIR episode 12. My lord, my lord, you can say, my lord. This is, my lord, this is only, my lord, only because during awareness program, even the parents don't, doesn't. Well, chances of misunderstanding is very high in this case. It's something, my lord, awareness was going on. Somebody else, he very smartly came and said like this. Now, my lord,
Any other statement?
The statement of sisters were taken, Your Lordship, which is not annexed with the city. It was taken on 21/12/2024, Your Lordship.
my lord, my lord can understand, my lord, because my lord, my compression, I am ready to cooperate, my lord. This is not the case, my lord, where I am. Problem, I will understand. It brings, my lord, lots of, my lord, this has a very different, my lord, effects on me, my lord. Basically, my lord, being humiliation and in our, my lord, here, basically, most of the people will think that he has done only, my lord. These are the prejudice, my lord. This is the case, my lord, where the
Have you taken to her?
my lord, on that day, my lord, yes, my lord, but not because of my colleague. She wanted, my lord, we are a close family relative. It's not something only on that day.
That's the whole problem.
We are a close family relative. And see, it's not something, my lord, I took her alone, my lord can see my intention. But how can I with three girls, my lord? How can I have a bad intention, my lord? Had I had a bad intention, my lord, then matter would have been different. And my lord, you see, my lord, notice as on today, 41/8/35 and as per petition. It is the mandate of the law, my lord. Satyendra Kumar until saying, my lord,
They'll issue. What's there?
my lord, notice is not issued there because, my lord, when offense is below 7 years, it's a the arrest is not mandatory. Then, my lord, notice has to go fast. If it is not sent, then itself, my lord, it induces benefit in my favor. It's the law execution.
So they'll follow the law. They'll respect the law. That's all.
My lord, as on
Where is the guarantee that you will be arrested?
my lord,
You are apprehending arrest. They may not arrest you also. If the law says that you cannot be arrested without notice, they'll issue notice.
that's why, my lord, they will arrest me because they are now even not complying with the law, my lord. And my lord, see, my lord, because what is the risk, my lord?
Thank you, sir.
Because one statement given, my lord.
Thank you, sir. Statement under 183 by the victim.
This, my lord, can see the circumstance. It is not something, my lord.
Can you show anything that it could be the out of some enmity?
No, enmity question will not be.
Yes.
Why, my lord? Because we are a close relative.
So what could be the reason of filing an FIR against you?
That's why, my lord.
Alleging such a serious allegation?
It's understand the child's experience. Where is the child, my lord, when somebody is giving the lecture or teaching something? There is some smart child will be
That's why
there.
I'm asking anything to show that.
My lord, that's why I said the awareness program was because out of the awareness program. My lord has seen after 4 months, he's saying that in the month of September. Even that time, there's no whisper with the parents, nothing. Parents also doesn't know. Now even
Then what could be the reason? That's what I'm asking. Not the awareness program itself.
actually, some way maybe we were together. So I don't know why, my lord. That's why by saying, well, I will fully cooperate, my lord. That protection because, my lord.
Heard Mr. Arsenal. Sorry.
That's all.
Let us consider for the petitioner.
My submission, one submission. Those are referring for the respondent number 2. Part of,
Yes.
since the affair is concerned, I don't have any this knowledge about this complaint and affair by my victim child because we are close relatives with the accused person. And child used to come and go in the residence of the accused person, and I think there is a misconception and misunderstanding by the victim, and this affair has been lost by some other party by influence by the victim child. So I don't have any objection by granting this prayer to the accused person. So I don't have any knowledge about this complaint and the FIR, Your Lordship.
FIR by whom?
But in the name of alleged victim, my lord.
Hmm.
And it was at the initiative of student union. Because that awareness program was passed. Even among our, since we are relating, my lord, suppose, my lord, it is there tomorrow. case will be there.
Yes, what do you say? Father is not,
Yes, Your Lordship. In fact, now the custody of the child has also been given to her aunt, Your Lordship,
not to the father.
not to the father. Your Lordship, yes, Your Lordship, she was under the
But it is
custody.
very clear.
Yes, she was under the custody of the CWC, Your Lordship. As soon as the FIR was, because the CWC came to the school for having a campaign. Your Lordship. At that time, it seems the child has narrated the incident to one of the worker who has then subsequently filed the FIR in the name of the child. And subsequently, child was taken to the CWC, and from CWC, the custody of the child was given to the her aunt, Your Lordship.
Not to the father.
Not to the father. Otherwise, also, Your Lordship, the mother, Your Lordship, it seems, I'm not sure if the father and the mother are staying together or not. Because the mother, she was staying with the mother otherwise. During the incident.
Stays with the mother.
Stays with
Her father.
I'm not sure if the father, because there is no mention about the father in the entire case.
Yes, we are staying.
She was staying with you.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, we are staying together.
Are you separated from your wife?
No, knowledge.
From what you were saying? From what you were saying?
Because the entire record does not speak about the father. That's what I'm saying, Your Lordship. During the incident, the mother, the phone call was made through mother's phone, Your Lordship. That is reflected in this.
Obviously, when father is there, it may be call maybe from the mother also.
Yes.
Why not necessarily from father?
That's why I'm saying I'm not sure about the father.
I will immediately operate and let the charge sheet file, because tomorrow if you have fever, this will harm me immensely. Because there is nothing something I can see that criminality is part there. Tomorrow I will be group, there is different issue, but now
The problem is, see, I had a second thought, but then when the father is not objecting, but problem is the victim is not with him. The guardianship, I mean, has not been given to him. She has been given the custody to her aunt. Okay, sorry, not at this stage, we'll see. And Mr. Arsenal learned counsel for the applicant. And also had MSD in learned additional PP for the state. And Mr.
Titamin, Lordship.
Titamin, learned counsel appears for respondent number 2. Come on, the father of the victim. This is an application under section 482 of BNSS 482. BNS 2023. Praying for grant of the privilege of pre-arrest bail to the applicant's name is Mame Gumja in connection with Dapurizip PS case number 84 of 2024 on section 74, 75 within bracket 2/79 BNS 2023, BNS. Read with section 8/12 of POXO Act. The criminal proceedings as set into motion on filing of an complaint FIR before the officer in charge police station Dapuroja on 15 December 2024 by X, within the name we tell you. to the effect that on 17 September, 1709/2024, the accused Sri Mame Gunja made a phone call to the victim to and ask her to come and to roam around at fair within bracket Mela at Daburizo airfield. Mr. The victim, along with her, took two of her sisters along with her. List. The victim and her two sisters went with the accused in his car. List. However, the accused did not take the victim to the Mela, to the fair within bracket Mela. Rather took them towards Dapurizo on the way near Sibansiri Resort. And started telling unpleasant words. The step thereafter, they reached at Subansiri Resort at Dugi village. And the slowly, gradually sat beside the accused gradually sat beside the victim and touched her whole private part. Mr. The victim had so it is also alleged that the victim the accused has also offered the sum of rupees 2,000 for non-disclosure of the incident to anybody. And the said amount was handed over to the mother of the victim. Mr. On receipt of the complaint, the police has registered a case being therefore is a PS case number 84 of 2020 under section so and so. Same. Heard Mr. Empathy, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard, no, next para. Mr. B. Jamo, learned counsel for the alleged respondents. It's okay. This has been accepted. I want to see this. That is separate cause of action. You file a separate, you able the separate remedy. It's a contempt proceedings. Okay. They have your joining report has been accepted in terms of the court's order. Therefore, nothing, no contempt. It's okay. We're closing it. Nothing. Mr. Bijamo, by placing the copy of the order dated 21/08/2024 passed by the headmaster NSC BAB submits that the joining report, joining of the petitioner dated 21/08/2024 has been duly accepted.
Because I have submitted a master report after the intervention on already 30/10/2024. I think because 30/10/2024 in this report, it said noted the fact that my vision that was not acceptable on the order dated 30/10/2024. Because this was prejudice to the honor.
In compliance of the interim order dated 19/08/2028 passed by this court in the connected writ petition 339 of 2024. Next paragraph. Having considered the above, I am of the view that the respondent, Alice Contempner, has the respondent authorities have complied the interim order of this court, which is the subject matter in this contempt proceedings list of. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. The copy of the order dated 21/08/2024 is kept on record and marked as document X.
Deeply obliged.
Only your salary has not been paid.
Yes, sir.
Then you approach. You are approached. There is no order. There is no order to pay your salary. Is there? Is there any order to pay your salary? It was only the stay of your transfer order. That's all. Once you have shown it back after the interim order, and then that has been accepted now. It's okay. See, Mr. will have to see in the contempt proceeding whether the court order has been complied with or not. So if there is any ancillary thing, that too, whether there is a willful disobedience, that is the, we'll have to see in the contempt proceeding, nothing else.
Then, Your Honor, the intimation letter dated 28/08, Your Honor, is a clear ground for
What
the
intimation?
intimation letter 28/08, wherein he has, the contender number one has threatened me of taking action against me.
That has been stated. That has been stated in the
But there was-
subsequent proceedings.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That has been stated in the subsequent proceedings. You avail the appropriate remedy. That's all. Okay, thank you.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
Next.
May I, my lord?
What is this? Sir, again, there is a problem. You want to correct, first you want to correct some mistake in your petition.
Yes.
That should be different order.
That
And then the correction of the order
Yes.
of this court will be another application.
Yeah, I file another application, IA.
For what? For correction.
For correction.
One application for correction in your affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
The copy of the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Number one.
And-
Number two, for correction of the order of this court has to be one more application. We cannot correct in both your application.
Oh, I have made.
Cannot be. That cannot be. You filed two petition, application. Yes.
I have not gone through.
So what is there to be corrected?
Only.
You go through in the
My
meantime,
lord, only
we're passing it.
capital enterprise should be respondent number 6. And Yama should be respondent number 7. Whereas I have written is 7 and 8. Only that portion is respondent number 6.
Only 7 and 6, 6 and 7.
6 and 7, yes.
In which page? Pages?
Page is, my lord, it.
In all the pages.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 17, 22, 23, 24, 26, 28 to 30.
You have to spell out every specific this thing, page, paragraph number, the line that you have to specify.
Yes, I have not mentioned the page.
Anyway, we'll allow it unnecessary. Heard Mr. N. Cargo, learn concept. This is 260 for correction.
266 for correction.
266.
Yes.
IA 266. Huh?
Yes, madam.
260 is or what?
260 was filed on that day for
266.
for each day of.
Heard Mr. Swench, huh? Learn concept for the applicant. Next, by filing this application, the applicant oblique petitioner has allow him to correct the typographical errors in the corrected writ petition number 46 AP of 2024, whereby the petitioner has inadvertently understand the respondent number 6, respondent 5,
Respondent 6 and 7. Capital enterprise should be respondent number 6, my lord, and Yama private respondent Yama enterprise should be 7. 8 should be omitted. I have written it 6, 7, and 8. It should be 6 and 7.
It will be the respondent number 6. 6 and 7.
Yes.
And 8.
No 8. There is no 8.
So what do you have said?
8 should be omitted.
Where you have said, where have you written 8?
I have written 8 in the petition in several parts.
Inadvertently written as 6, 7, 8 as they written the Messrs. Capital Enterprise and MS Yana Enterprises as respondent number 6, 7, 8.
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yeah.
Instead of
6 and 7.
respondent number 6 and 7.
Respectively.
Next para. Having considered the submissions and on perusal of the application, comma, and the prayer not being objected to by learned counsel for the respondent, Mr. G. Tarak, comma, the petitioner is allowed to correct the inadvertent typographical mistake as being respondent number 7 and 8 as respondent number 6 and 7.
Yes.
In the connected writ petitions. Please stop. The IA stand disposed of. The amended petition after the learned counsel for the petition to file the amended copy by furnishing a copy to the learned counsel for the respondents. Please stop. Next paragraph. Then,
In my lord, I have filed another IA 260. That is
whatever the order of the court, you have to file another IA for correction in the order of the court.
No, I have not filed it.
You have to file.
I mean, in the same.
Mention will not be enough. They should order it is as good as review. Typographical mistake. There is no typographical mistake, in fact. That is your fault. So you want that it should be corrected.
Yes, it should be corrected.
You file an application for that.
But my lord, in the order, they did on the last order of this honorable court, 6 and 7 was mentioned, but it was mentioned that work was approved in the name of respondent. It should be 6. Only this discrepancies. 6 and 7 has already been reflected in this court's order.
Even if it's one word,
Yes.
the law requires, rules, procedure requires that you have to file an application. Sir, that is the whole problem.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, in view of the order passed in so-and-so, in writ petition, in view of the order passed in IA 266,
Yes.
whereby the petitioner has been allowed to correct the typographical mistake, comma. Which place, which order?
22 October 2024, honorable court. 22/10/2024.
Where it is?
In the first page. Second page, it is mentioned, second page, bottom line. The name of the respondent number 7. Authorities approve the name of the respondent number 7. It should be respondent number 6, my lord. Second phase, bottom line, the order, last order.
I don't find any order like that. Order dated?
22 October 2024.
Where it is?
In the second phase, bottom line. Respondent authority has approved the name of the respondent number 7.
This is your second page. This is the first page. Approved an acceptance letter dated wherever the respondent has approved the name of the respondent number 7.
Yes, it should be 6, my lord.
Comma. In the word respondent number 7 in order that is 12/10/2024 be 24 be corrected as respondent number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
This order shall be the self-form part of the order dated 22/11/2024.
Order 22 October 22/10.
Heard so and so that you just keep. That's all.
Yes. And one more IA is there.
One more we cannot, how can we say that? Issue notice.
Yeah.
Heard Mr. 260, 260?
Yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, Encargo, learned counsel for the applicant. Issue notice to the respondent. Mr. Jitarak, learned standing counsel, accept notice on behalf of the respondents, no formal notice they need. No formal notice they need. No formal notice need be served. Please stop. This is the matter after 4 weeks. How can we just say that?
My lord, regarding main petition, it was for service
Main,
report,
main also, this after 3 weeks.
service report
Oh,
in the main petition.
okay. Service report in main, huh? Thereafter. Office note dated 23/12/2024 reflects that service report in respect of respondents 6 and 7 are still awaited. List after 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
My lord, today,
Next,
my lord, it was
we cannot spend whole day in one matter.
in the last order, it was stated that my prayer for interim order will be considered.
No interim order. Interim order rejected. Interim prayer rejected. You have filed an IA where we issued a notice for hearing, right? So it's the question of hearing again. Thank you.
Obligement.
This is another troubling petition. We passed the order yesterday.
My lord, this is IA. So, just.
Heard Mr. P. Bui, Learned Counsel for the applicant. This petition applicant has been filed.
My lord,
Bringing on record the subsequent development,
my lord,
particularly the advertisement
my lord,
published in the newspaper dated 22/12/2024. Where is the newspaper?
this is my another department. Again, the learned deputy commissioner has sent from the RD department to the UD department. My lord. Page 10.
Issued by the
Issued by the deputy commissioner.
deputy. This is by deputy commissioner.
Yes, my lord.
Issued by the deputy commissioner, Papupar district, UP. Issue notice. Since Mr.
My lord,
Mr. Wairidam and Mr. You are also.
Yes,
Mr. This future London standing council, London State Council and the standing council for RD enters appearance accept notice on mail respond no form notice need be served. List after 4 weeks.
my lord, meanwhile, maybe stay this.
In view of the order passed
Yes.
in the writ petition on
23.
on 23/12/2024 to the effect that providing that pursuant to the impugned cancellation order, if any consequential action is taken, same shall be subject to the outcome of present proceedings, no interim order is required to be passed.
My
It
lord,
is IA.
my lord,
List after 4 weeks.
my lord,
Thank you.
my lord, this on ground of that, this
See,
complaint was.
why don't you try to understand? See, there was an advertisement. You are admittedly you are given the work.
Yes.
It is for recruiting of the staff of the institute, right? That has been wrongly or rightly cancelled, right? We'll examine that. Now the advertisement is issued by some other the authority. I mean, though maybe deputy commissioner, but it used to be filled up through by some department, some agency, not by a private agency. It will through the departmental.
No, my lord, as per
Through the department. It's by the department only.
Yes, sir.
my lord,
Not the outsourced kind of
My lord,
justice.
my lord.
Therefore, there's no question of passing any order in this system.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
my lord,
Next,
my lord,
next
the
case.
case of the if
Thank you. I
department,
passed the order. Sorry.
my lord, sorry for that.
We cannot take trouble petitions. These are all trouble petitions, unnecessary. I'm sorry.
My lord, just a submission.
We're hearing your matter for 3 days.
My lord, sorry for that. My lord, one thing is that if the department want to contact.
Wrongly or rather,
For the
you file an
recruitment.
appeal against these orders if you want.
May I, your lordship?
Please, sorry.
May I, your lordship? I beg my pardon, your lordship. In item number 13, your lordship, I forgot to mention about the dusty service, your lordship. I
Why?
may be allowed to take dusty service also, your lordship. In item number
As
13,
well as notice registered for as well as justice.
much obliged.
Yes, continue. You unlisted. On third. Unlisted on third. How many unlisted matters? Why it has not been
In my, my lord, the same, my lord, PI's case number, name are different, same LEB, my lord. Same FIR, my lord, same policy system.
Well, then we'll add to.
Ma'am.
Regular bail has to be
Please.
as unlisted.
Your Lordship, prior to any submission being made, Your Lordship, in an earlier application, Your Lordship, on the same FIR, Your Lordship, the Court of Justice Abung has already rejected the bail, Your Lordship. Now, any
In
case-
item 26.
item 26, 27, and 28 arising out of the same FIR, Your Lordship.
Okay. Let's resolve the appropriate bench in terms of the, before the appropriate bench in terms of the notification number
Notification number 32,
32 of
dated 30 May 2024.
dated 30/05/2024.
Yes.
Hmm.
Declare.
26, 27, 28, right?
Yes.
Same order in this 29, 30, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Lordship.
13 that
Same LEB, my lord, LEB.
Lambu and Brothers,
My
Lambu and Company. Same.
My lord, only difficulty is,
Not
my lord,
Mr. Swenson, Ms.
On
Swenson, huh?
7th, Your Lordship.
Same order.
my lord, my friend, the matter, my lord, since the matter has been, in other matter, my lord, it is returnable on 7th January, my lord. My friend, my lord, matter may be on 10th, my lord, I'll be having personal difficulty on 7th.
10.
And my lord, the same period, my lord,
Yes, I have already signed. I have signed the order.
Well-
Make a mention and we'll take it up 10.
yes.
I've already signed the order.
My lord.
Huh? Then, what the agency here? Washing?
There isn't speaks on 7 of trial court before the lower court.
What is the offense?
It's 366.
Or Mr. B. Ramalan, counsel for the petitioners.
Yes, Lordship.
This petition, this is an application under section 528 of NSS 2023, praying for quashment of criminal proceedings. What is the stage of the thing?
Lordship, the trial has almost come to conclusion, Lordship.
Then,
Lordship, here the petitioner,
the criminal proceedings of Sessions case number 35 of 2021, right?
yes, Lordship.
Under section 360/31 IPC 1860. Next para. Pending before the pending before sessions.
Yes, Lordship. Concept session.
Concept. On the basis of the settlement. Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Settlement between the parties. Settlement amongst the petitioners. Mr. MS. Call for the trial court records. Next para MS L Hagilanet addition PP appears for the state. Next para. Pending production of trial court records, further proceedings of Sessions case number 35 of 2021 before the London Sessions Judge. Concept still remains state.
Mr. President, examination of AQ 313 also will come. Stage of 313 also.
This after 4 weeks.
Yes, Lord. Develop, Lord.
Yeah, Lordship.
What is this?
Lordship, it's
Offense?
joint criminal petition.
Yes, same order. GR case number. GR case number 114. Oh, sorry, 14, huh? 14 of 2024, under section 305 oblique 3 within bracket 5 bracket close of BNS 2022. Pending before the judicial magistrate. First class Yingqiang.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Judicial magistrate first class Yingqiang.
Yes, Lordship.
This is a joint petition, no?
Yes, Lordship.
Joint petition.
Yes, Lordship.
On the basis of the settlement between the parties. Pending products, call for the telecom records. MS so and so El Hagilan is simply appeals for the state. Pending production of so and so. Same. Further proceedings of so and so. Criminal proceedings of GR case number so and so before the judicial magistrate first claim central minister list after 4 weeks.
Lead your vice.
What is this?
Your Honor, it's fell under Article 226 for issuance of writ in the nature of mandamus. Your Honor,
Claiming
here,
compensation.
the petitioner's land has been not acquired by the government, Your Honor.
Kaim area army camp and army firing range area under Kaim, Kiang district.
Yes.
Not Mr. Will issue notice, that's all.
My lord.
Lordship.
B type of jail and counsel for the petitioners. How many petitioners?
3, Your Honor.
Petitioners. By filing of this petition, the petitioners have prayed for a direction to the Deputy Commissioner Boleng, the Xiang district. Boleng, to determine the rate of legality of the land for farm establishment in respect of the land for permanent establishment army camp under Kaim village, Siang district, Arunachal Pradesh for land measuring about 167,862.22 page 27 in place. Square meters approximately belongs to the petitioner as per prevailing market value of land in the Boleng district. So Boleng, what is Boleng district? It is not Boleng district. In market is prevailing of the petitioner in terms of the right to fair compensation, transparency, and land acquisition regulation reset in 2000 and also prayed for at multiple factors in terms of Schedule 1 of the said act. Issue notice. The respondents returnable by 6 weeks. Mr. How many are the respondents?
And I am for the respondent number 3 and
Land.
Have you furnished copy to them?
Yes, sure.
Mr. Wairam, London Council for the Learned Council, and Mr. M. Kato, Learned Additional, the Deputy Solicitor General, DSJ, appears to respond 2, 3, and 4.
3 and 4 only.
No, he also.
2 years.
Yes, 2, 3, and 4. Both, huh? Wairam, Learned State Council, and Mr. M. Kato, so appears and accept notice on behalf of respondent 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, no formal notice need be served. Have extra copies of the furnished. None appears for the 1. List after.
I have already served the copy, Your Honor.
Despite service of notice on respondent. So despite service of notice. List after 6 weeks.
Obliged. Okay.
What is this?
Notice may be issued, Your Lordship.
This for what?
This
Not
is
Mr.
transfer issue.
Huh?
Transfer of land.
Transfer.
Notice may be issued at this stage.
Why this is the urgency here? What is the urgency here?
Urgency because it is already 12, about 12 months.
So why you have filed on the last day?
It was a
Today,
delay.
why it has been listed?
It is already, it is.
We'll take after the last. We'll see. I may impose cost. I told you, if there is no urgency, we'll impose cost.
Matter may be
Then-
fixed, matter may be fixed after.
After imposing pass order, after some time.
My lord, beg your pardon, my lord. Your lordship has been burdened on the last date.
Yes.
My lord, this is a tender matter, my lord. And the petitioner has been rejected.
Your technical bid.
Technical bit rejected, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, what happened, my lord?
Well, let me note this.
3rd of October, December, my lord. Technical bid was published, my lord. So only 3 firms were declared responsive, my lord. Now we found that out of the 3 that have been declared responsive, my lord, 2 firms, my lord, and subsequently now financial has been opened last Saturday, my lord, this 21st 12, my lord, at around 8:30 p.m. my lord. Now at that time, my lord, 2 other firms, my lord, they were defaced, my lord. Say for example, my lord, the person who has now been declared as L1, my lord, he doesn't even have the same report, my lord. Now, my lord, under the SBD, my lord, there is a clause 22.6 which provides that after the technical bid, I shall lodge a complaint, and within 5 working days, my lord, the authorities will decide my complaint, my lord. That has not been done, my lord. And they went ahead with the
There is a
evaluation.
judgment of the division bench, where this court was also member on this in the principal seat. I think 2 months back. Only 2 months back, with chief authored by justice. If you have not complied with this, you have to comply. If the provisions is to consider the reputation, find out.
That yes, I will. So at this stage, my lord, since it goes to the technical part also, my lord.
Your technical has been rejected.
Mine has been rejected, my lord. But if those 2 others also rejected, there will be a fresh tender, my lord. Say for example, my lord,
Case, not Mr. This, okay, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the rejection of the technical bid of the petitioner by the technical evaluation committee that pursuant to NIT, which is the NIT? Where's the NIT?
NIT is at page 24, my lord.
Pursuant to the NIT, dated 21/09/2024, for construction of what? RCC bridge.
Yes, my lord. Serial number, my lord, is it at scenario 6, my lord. Serial number 6.
For construction in respect of the serial number 6. For construction of RCC bridge with BUG. What is called?
BUG
Gredder within the span, page 24. Over Sine River branch 1. Issue notice. That your this.
I'm praying
Yeah.
for interim, sir, my lord.
What?
My lord, since this that financial bid was published only on this Saturday, 21st December, my lord.
So
Nothing has
take it
been
up on,
finalized.
on 7th.
70s.
Till such time, not to finalize. All right.
My lord is aware of this is infrastructure development
But it is also as per the guidelines also, my lord. There's a similar nature of work. He doesn't even have the experience also, my lord. Who has been declared in terms of the
Declared
SBD,
financial bid.
financial bid, he has been declared
No,
L1 also.
no, we'll not go into that. Because first we'll have to see whether your technical bid has been rejected
Yes.
properly or improperly, or illegally or legally.
My lord, what will happen, my lord? This otherwise also.
Mr. This okay, learned counsel for after that issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. Jitara, learned standing counsel availability appears for. Enters appearance and accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2,
1 to 5.
1, 3, 4, and 5. Therefore, no formal notice need be served. However, extra copies furnished to the land students. Petitions to take stage for service of notice upon respondent number 6 and 7 by registered persons. Next paragraph. The Mr. Disoki learned concept of the prisoner submits that after the rejection of his technical bid, after the rejection of technical bid of the prisoner, a representation was filed before the concerned authority, which is required to be disposed of before the opening of the financial bid in terms of the
Clause 22.
clause 22.6 of
of
the
the SBD.
SBD. Mr. However, the respondent authority has not complied with provision. Representation filed by the petitioner is to be disposed of, considered and disposed of before the opening of the financial bid. Mr. And he submits that since the respondent authorities have not disposed of the representation of the petitioner as required under the clause 22.6 of the SBD, interim order, the financial bid, the opening of the financial bid is illegal. Therefore, he pressed for an interim order. What type of interim orders?
My lord, because as of now, it has not been finalized, madam. Let the status quo be maintained, madam. It was only published on 21st. Wait, madam. 21st December, it was only.
Prayed for an interim order. Mr. Next part. Having considered, Mr. J. Tarak, on the other hand, submission, since it relates to construction of bridge, which is a public project, pass any interim at this stage, and pass any order at this stage, at this stage, Mr. Next paragraph. Having considered the submission of learned counsel for the parties and also consider the date, petitioner, the respondent authorities has not disposed of the referendum filed by the petitioner as provided under clause 22.166 of the SBD, and also considering that the financial bid has been opened on when?
It was published on 21st December, madam.
Open and published on 21st 12/20/24, status quo today may be maintained. As on today may be maintained till the returnable date.
All right. Well, this is also similar, madam. Here the work is at serial number 3, madam.
Serial number 3?
Yes, serial number 3 of the page 24, madam.
24. That
23, 23, my lord. Yes, NIT, my lord. Serial number 3.
Page 23. Same ground.
Same ground.
Same ground.
Same. Here also
Same
we have
link.
yes.
Same. Only work will be different. Serial number 3, you mentioned that. That's all. Why this order?
My lord, here, your lordship had on 16/12, my lord, passed an order, my lord, staying the transfer order, my lord. Transfer order, basically, it was the taking of the charge, my lord. That in the writ petition, it was portrayed that the DPIU to Hawiliang, my lord, in Anjao district, my lord. It is a post held by an executive engineer and the applicant herein, my lord, who is the respondent number 5, my lord. He's an assistant engineer. He's and the assistant engineer, the executive engineer is so
Issue notice will consider on 3rd. All right. Mr. Disoki, Land Council for the applicant, respondent.
in respondent. Yes, I'm applicant respondent number 5.
Applicant. This is an application for modification.
Modification,
vacation. What do you call it? Bring for alteration, modification, vacation of the interim order dated 16/12/2024, passed in WPC. Number 59 AP of 2024. Issue notice, returnable on 3rd. 10th. Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the Mr. M. Kato and Land Council for the petitioner and Mr. G. Tarak, Land Council for the opposite party, oblique writ petitioner and Mr. G. Tarak for respondent department are present and may file their objection if any before or not before the next date of listing. Yes. Then what this?
This is IA, my lord. This is the other day. This the WPC was taken up. This fixed on 15th of January, my lord. Now here during
15th of February.
15th of January, the main case is fixed, my lord. And we had challenged one tender, my lord. But even after the RTA was filed, my lord, that was not provided. Now we have come to learn that award has been made to one contractor.
So you are impleading?
Yes, my lord. That,
any objection?
no.
Or will issue notice or no?
My lord, may implead, my lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. D. Soki, Land Council for the applicant and Mr. Wairidam, Learned State Council.
All the respondents.
For all the respondents. Next, this is an application seeking implement of Messrs. Cindy Enterprises, represented by its proprietor Sri Mama Miso. Desali Village, PO and PS only, Desali Circle, Lower Dibang Valley District, Arunachal Pradesh. As party respond number 5. Please stop. Next, the petitioner, the applicant, public writ petitioner, the applicant has filed a writ petition being WC number 569 of 2024, challenging the manner in which the NIET for construction of 3 bridges, 3 numbers of bridges on road from 8-kilometer point on NH 313 Rowing Anini Road to New Chidu Village via NSPC colony in Lower Dibang Valley District. Which is pending disposal before this court. Pending disposal. Mr. It is contended by Mr. Disoki, Land Council submits that they contended by Mr. Disoki, Land Council that during the pendency of the writ, about writ petition, writ petition. What is the award has been,
Yes, award has been made.
the respondent authority has awarded the contract to one Messrs. Cindy Enterprises. Mr. Therefore, he submits that the above Messrs. Cindy Enterprises may be allowed to be implemented at considered submissions and the grounds for seeking implement, grounds for implement, and they are not being objected to and counsel for the response. Go ahead. Presented by proprietor. So in prayer person. Proprietor also be implemented at party respondent number 5 in the connected writ petition number WPC. Writ petition in the connected WPC number 569 of 2024. Mr. The highest instance allowed and disposed of. Then in view of the order passed in ISO in writ petition, the London Council for the petitioner to file an amended cost letter. The registry to do the necessary correction and then do the needful on furnishing of the requisite copies, notice be issued to the newly implemented respondent number 5.
My lord, since the main case is fixed on 15, my lord, I'm maybe allowed to take dusty service, my lord. On respondent
The
number 5.
London Council for the, on the prayer of London Council for the party petitioner, he is also permitted to take take steps by for service of notice upon the respondent newly implemented respondent number 5 by dusty models.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr. Tapak.
Next page. This main case is
This is the matter. No, it's already there.
main case or date is already.
The main case there. List the matter on 15. 1501/2020. Yes.
Lordship,
Why you
kindly-
have mentioned this today?
Because
I have already, this court has already indicated if I find that there is no urgency,
already
what is the urgency? You first explain.
kindly see Lordship, page number 36, annexure 7. This is a communication letter, 21 November 2023. And this land is yet to be transferred to the applicant. This is a transfer from, this is already allotted land to another with the permission of the government. There is an inordinate delay, and this brief was because today matter has been filed because vacation is coming, and it will again delay the process if it is filed after New Year. That is why.
Last warning. Heard Mr. T. Tapak, London Council for the petitioner. Prayer made in his writ petition is for a direction for implementation of the government land allotment order dated 12/6/2015 issued by District Land Revenue and Settlement Officer Pasiyat, East Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh. What is this? What prayer uses?
And see the prayer, Lord.
Then 23/11/20 issued.
Actually, this is
This-
earlier there is a bifurcation of the district. Earlier it was paper was processed from the Deputy Commissioner
You
party.
want that it should be transferred.
Yes. Let it be
Transferred to which?
transferred to me in favor of me.
How, on what basis?
Because Lordship, I have applied a letter.
Basically,
Applied for, this
Mr.
is by way
Ah,
of gift, Lordship.
Issue notice returnable by 6 weeks.
Yes.
As Mr. Y. Ramlani State Council enters appearance on behalf of
3 and 4 euros.
respondent number 3 and 4. No formal notice need be served. Extra copy will be furnished to him. Whatever, how many respondents?
1 and
Only-
2 is
Only totally is 4.
1 and
1 and 2.
one.
Director,
You are 3 and 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 and 4.
Have you served the notice to the standing council?
Yes, I have given copy.
No one appears for the respondent number 1 and 2, despite service of notice. List after 6 weeks. Yes.
Hello.